Welcome to the section of manage and customize multiple themes through Shopify store. Let's begin to choose different themes and to do that let's go to the home at the back end of the Shopify store. Then we have to go to your customized the look of your website. Click here to select a theme. Okay, here we go. There are a lot of free themes, free premium theme at the Shopify. You have to choose any of these themes which appears to be a great looking, like this theme or this or this. Also, here we go. Here you see more additional themes. Let's scroll down to see more options. This option, or so this option, or this. So let's begin with this option. Here I'm going to choose this option. Then try to choose publish theme. This is the theme 1 at the section 1. Okay, publish. It's done. It's publishing. Here we go. Here we see. Okay, that's correct. Okay, now let's go to customize the theme. After choosing any theme, we have to go to directly to customize theme. Now I will remember you that from theme to theme, you will see the different looking, the different customization, different functionalities relates to current theme. So that's all. So not all the theme shared or relates to each other. So each theme has specific terms, specific conditions, specific options, specific functionalities. That's all. So let's go to change or make some change. We have the ability to make some customization to enable wide layout if we want, or disable by checking out. Also, we have to change the color if we want to add some color, use custom image, or use background image music style. If we want to add the background with the sound. Also, we have the ability to customize the image at the background image displays tiles or stretch if we want to do that. Here we see the top bar background with the black color. Here's the body background, footer background. Let's scroll down to show up you. So this is the footer background line and borders color. Let's scroll down to see the buttons. Here's the buttons colored like this: subscription, primary button text, secondary button text, secondary button text here. Here we show. Also here we have the text color if you want to change the text color. That's all. Let's come back again to see more options. Here we see the colors. Also here we see the default text. We have to change the default text as we mentioned on previous section of themes and basic settings of Shopify. Let's come back here at this section and these lectures. I will discuss and I will explain the main topics changes from each theme, like slider and menus or navigation, header, footer. That's all. Just but all of the basic information like colors, typograph, layout, presets, you have to do exactly because it's more easy. So let's go here to the header to see what can we do at this portion. Here's the Alabama store. If you want to add some logos here, we have to add the logo. So let's go to the background, to the desktop, my desktop. Here I'm going to add some logos. I'm going to choose this logo. Okay, here we go. So this logo, it will comes up to the site. Okay, it's really amazing. Also, we have to customize logo with it appears to be 45. We may customize to be 35. Let's show up what happens here. when we change the width. Okay, let's add more specification for this logo to be 300. Let's go to save changes to see what will happen. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all for the custom logo width in pixel. As you see, let's scroll down to see main menu below logo. We may have provide the main menu to be under the logo if we want to do that, but I encourage you to leave it beside the logo. I think it's better than other option. Also, we have the left align logo if we want to make some changes with the alignment of the logo. By the way, it's on the left. Let's scroll down to see more options. If we want to add 5 icons to be on the top, we have to choose any images there. So that's all. Top bar message. If we want to add some messages at the top bar, we can put it here at this box. Now let's come back again to continue with other options. Here's the footer. Let's go to the footer. The footer here we see we have the ability to customize the menus at the bottom, like a footer menu. As you see here, here's the blog. There's none at the blog. If you want to show latest blog post, if you want to add this option, it will comes up. By the way, here we see latest news blog. Which blog it will be added? We may have to add Alabama. Okay, it will comes up there. As you see, that's all for the blog. Also here we have the show footer menu. This is the footer menu with the name of quick links. So this is the alias of footer menu. Also we have the ability to add additional menu. If you want to add some additional menus at this part, we have the ability to add additional menus like our partners or main menu. So I'm going to add our partners to see. Okay, this is our partners. It will comes up at the bottom. Let's scroll down to see more options. Here's the contact us form. If you want to add some contact us form, we have to add it by check this box. Then added the new options. That's all. Also we have the options to be add show newsletter, which is shown here. If you uncheck, it will leave away. Okay, here we go. I think it's better to be shown. Also here we can add the main mail to be received your subscription. Also here we have the method of payment. If you want to add some method payment at the bottom, which shown on the bottom exactly at the footer. By the way, I want to explain something which is very important. And on the next sections, we will discuss more about payment methods and shipping methods. So be patient to learn more about that. Finally, we have to save change if we want to save all of these modifications at this theme. Now let's go to try to continue with other settings at this theme. Let's go to the home page. If we want to make some changes with the sliders, feature content, feature products, or sections. Section 4, there is no items here. We have to add some modification like feature collections. If we want to add the feature collection or feature contents or otherwise. Also we have to choose none if we don't need to add any information at this part. That's all for the home page. Let's come back again to the main window at the section on the right at the minimal. Here we see the homepage feature image. If we want to add some feature image, we can do that directly from here with the image 1, image 2, image 3. As you see, also we have the ability to add homepage slideshow. Let's go to the homepage slideshow, which is very important to show up the main photos which will be represented at this slider. To do that, let's scroll down here to see what can we do. Let's go to the images. Then I'm going to choose some images here. Let's go back to the clothes folder which contains some of professional images. So here I'm going to choose the first image. So that's all. Here we see this image comes up here. It's enabled. We have to disable or enable if you want. Let's be enabled. Okay, we have to if you want to replace or change this image, we can do that by click here at the replace. Let's scroll down to show up more options. Also, we have the ability to add link URL if we want, or alt text to be shown when you move the mouse over the image. Let's scroll down to see more options like slide to. Click here to add more image like this image, and here we go. This is the slide 2. That's okay. Image 1. This is image 2. Let's scroll down. Slide 3. Firstly, I'm gonna be enable this slide. Then I will add a new image like this image. This is the third image, I think so. Okay, it's correct. We have to choose open to add third image with the slide 3. Also, I'm gonna be add other additional images with the slider 4. Here I'm going to choose slider 4. Also, I will choose the other image for this image as example. Click here. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's all. Finally, I'm gonna be make save changes for all modifications at this theme. Finally, I'm going to make back here. Also, here we see some of home page feature image or feature collections. If you want to add or customize these options to be shown on your site. Okay, that's all. Also, we have the collection pages if you want to make any changes. All of themes make basic information which discussed before at the basic Shopify store. But as I mentioned before, in this section and on these lectures, I will discuss specific details to make a perfect explanation for you how to manage with advanced settings. That's it. So let's go to the front end, then make a refresh for this site to see the changes. Okay, here we go. Here we see these changes. Here we see the logo. Here we see the menus on the right hand. Also, here we see the banner. As you see, this is the slider show or the banner with multiple images, multiple photos. It's looking great, as you see. That's all. Something is perfect. You have to justify your images by Photoshop or by cropping image when you add these images at your site. So this is the theme number 1. This is the products. Here we can go to the catalog or the blogs like Alabama, or blogs here on the side, or at the about us. That's all for this lecture. See you in next lecture with theme 2. Goodbye.